combining the encoder and decoder to complete the transformer. Having defined the components and assembled the encoder and decoder, you can combine them to produce a complete transformer model. Transformers typically contain multiple encoders and decoders stacked in equal numbers, such as 6 each in the original transformer. Stacking encoders and decoders in this manner enhances the transformer's capabilities, allowing each layer to capture different characteristics and underlying patterns from the input, thereby improving the LLM's performance. Data curation. Once your LLM is built, the next critical step is compiling and curating the data for training. Data quality is paramount in building an effective LLM. While model architecture, training time, and techniques can be adjusted to enhance performance, poor quality data cannot be compensated. Consequences of low-quality training data includes inaccuracy. A model trained on incorrect data will produce inaccurate answers. Bias. The model will learn any inherent bias in the data. Unpredictability. The model may produce incoherent or nonsensical answers, making it difficult to diagnose issues. Poor resource utilization. Poor quality data prolongs training, leading to higher computational, personnel, and energy costs. In addition to high-quality data, vast amounts of data are required for the model to learn linguistic and semantic relationships effectively for natural language processing tasks. Generally, the more performant and capable the LLM needs to be, the more parameters it requires. And consequently, the more data must be curated. To illustrate, here are a few existing LLMs and the amount of data used to train them. GPT-3 model was trained using 175 billion parameters and 0.5 trillion tokens. Llama 2 model was trained using 70 billion parameters and 2 trillion tokens. For context, 100,000 tokens are roughly equivalent to 75,000 words or an entire novel. Thus, GPT-3, for instance, was trained on the equivalent of 5 million novels worth of data. In the next lesson, I will talk about characteristics of a high-quality dataset. Stay tuned and keep learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel www.codingscientist.com.